with Reg BI, which is called best interest rather than fiduciary, there is a heightened standard that's consistent across the board. And basically, it involves, and I'm going to talk about the hardest part first, getting information about the plan's investments, services, and expenses. A little more than that, but a good way to think about it is those three categories. What are the plan's investments? What are the plan's services? What's the plan's cost? Then putting together what you think those comparable things would be in the IRA. Not just what are available, but what of the IRA investments would be valuable to this particular person. What are the costs and what are the services? The firm services and the individual advisor services. And what kind of value are they going to add? Then third, you do the investor profile, which people do anyway, but that's the third step. So you look at the plan investments, services, and expenses. You look at the IRA investment services and expenses. You look at the needs and circumstances of the participant, the investor, as reflected on the profile. And then you make a decision in the best interest. What's best for that person? It is an individualized decision. It's not like some generic, everybody's better off doing such and such. But if you can gather that and then document it, one, you've engaged in a process that cuts across all these different regulatory bodies as being compliant. Secondly, it's not just the truth that you did it, but you have the proof that you did it in case the regulators come in and look at you. So plan information, IRA information, investor information, and then an analytical process that says, hey, what's best for this person over the long haul? And I think that is an approach that will serve you well, no matter which regulatory regime we're talking about.